We'll be using a modified RNA or modified DNA in the vaccine. Why is this important? It's important to know because it could potentially alter our DNA, our genome. And what's the big deal about DNA or RNA? Well, our genome. Well, the genome is what makes us human and what separates us from the rest of the animals and plants in the world. It's the blueprint for what creates us, how we reproduce, how we function, how we repair, how we evolve. One little change, one little protein inserted, one taken out, one changed, can actually create a congenital defect or a hereditary disorder. So a little change is grand. Something that can alter that could really be devastating on us humans.
I told you before, it was a gene therapy for gene manipulation. That's what it is. It's not a vaccine, it's a gene therapy. It's for manipulating the genes.
What you're doing is programming cells, like somebody would program software.
DNA is the software of life. There's no question about it. And that's key to evolution of life on this planet. And now the key to the future of life on this planet is understanding how to write that software.
But aren't you playing God?
We're not playing anything. We're understanding the rules of life.
But that's more than studying life. That's changing life.
Well, domesticating animals was changing life. Domesticating corn. When you do crossbreeding of plants, you're doing this blind experiment where you're just mixing DNA of different types of cells and just seeing what comes out of it.
The news is buzzing out of Lund University, Malmo, Sweden. Marcus Alden is the first author. The first demonstration in a human hepatic or liver cell line that the Pfizer vaccine, in fact, reverse transcribes and installs DNA into the human genome.
Wow. And so, in simple terms, what does that mean, Dr. Bartlett?
Thank you for making it simple. Basically, there's an enzyme that can take that messenger RNA vaccine information and put it into the DNA of the person, into their DNA. And we were told that could not happen. So this is in a lab, but it's showing that you remember the vaccine is messenger RNA. And we were told that that messenger RNA could not go into your DNA, but this is showing that in a lab it can.
Like human slavery, this is a crime against humanity.
But why are they excited about it, those who are behind it? Because it's about to give them their dream for life. The ultimate toy. Make human beings the ultimate toy.
A toy refers to a plaything or a diminutive version of a bigger object which can be used for amusement or enjoyment and is ultimately subject to the whims and emotions of its owner.